Imagine revolutionizing semiconductor production with precision laser soldering. Ready to explore how? Our technology enhances precision, reduces energy consumption, and accelerates soldering processes. Say goodbye to traditional heat methods. Our blue laser technology maximizes absorption efficiency. Adapt quickly to production needs with real-time monitoring and intelligent adjustments. Stay ahead of potential issues with detailed visual feedback on every soldering operation. From automotive to aerospace, our solutions fit seamlessly into various high-tech industries. Ready to innovate your production line? Contact us today for tailored solutions.